Hey everybody, this is Kevin from Klotz Productions and welcome to my review of the Zuru X-Shot Skins Hyperload Blaster. This specifically is the Blazer skin. So just taking a look on the front, obviously this is another fast fill blaster. I really like these because you can fill them up quickly. I'm not exactly sure how this one works yet, so once we get into it we'll find out. And like I said, this specific one is the Blazer skin. We got multiple different skins on the back because of the X-Shot Skins series. Let's check it out. So inside we have the water blaster itself and just a little insert that has a bunch of different skins and other X-Shot fast fill items that are on the market, and some other little info if you're interested in any of that. So how does this blaster work? This is pretty simple. It's pump, pull forward, pull back to fire, and to fill it up, it's got kind of like a top prime here where you open it up, load it in here, you fill it up the water right here. And since it is the fast fill, the idea is to just dump it in a bucket, fill it up, close it up, and you're ready to go. Now one thing I noticed is that since this is located in the front and the tube goes all the way to the back, I don't know how well dunking it like this will work. I guess it depends on how far you dunk it because it has to fill up that way. But it's pretty simple. I do like the way that this works. I think it's pretty neat. It reminds me of like priming a retaliator or something. And also, as you notice, we got the skins on both the front and the back, so it's not just painted on one side for display. Anyway, that's the quick basic overview. Let's take it outside, see it fire, and see what kind of ranges we get with it. Alright, so we are outside with the blaster. First thing we're going to do, we got a bucket of water here. We're going to see how it actually fills up if it does the full. Dump it in there. Fills up pretty well, although all the water's leaking out. Maybe I need to put it in there, close it. Extra dripping from other places. Let's see if the water's still in there. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't show all the way full. Not sure if I'm doing something wrong. Let's try this one more time. Close it. Works fine. I'm not sure how well it's holding the water. But we'll get some ranges here, and then we'll do a full mag dump, see how many shots we get out of one load. Alright, so I got our blaster. I got cones set up at 10 feet and 5 feet intervals all the way out to 35 feet. Let's see what kind of distances we get. So this is flat, and it looks like we're getting about 20 feet flat, maybe a little over. And then angled 45. Looks about just at 30 feet, maybe. All right, now let's load it up again and see what we get with the mag dump. We're fully loaded. Try to get over here. So I think we lose a lot of water, but we'll find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we're kind of puttering out about like that. So about 13 shots maybe. So the box does say ranges of up to 33 feet, 10 meters, and I think we're getting pretty close to that. I think in ideal perfect conditions, we can give it to them and say, yes, it does meet the claims on the box for the ranges. Anyway, let's take it inside and I'll give you my final opinions on it. Alright, so we're back inside with the X-Shot Fast Fill Hyperload, and my opinions. I think it is, you're going to get what you expect out of this. It's just a simple water blaster. I do like the ergonomics, like I said before. I like the way it loads. It's pretty neat. One thing I noticed is when I was dunking it and I pick it up, it wasn't filling all the way. I think that's because I'm loading it vertically, and so it doesn't fill up correctly. Maybe if you're in a pool and you load it horizontally, or if you just have something you can dump it in this way, it'll fill all the way up and maybe you'll get a few more shots. This is future Kevin cutting in here real quick, and I did take the blaster inside and fill it up in a faucet horizontally to where I could fill it up all the way. And I can confirm that when you do it that way, you get a lot more shots, upwards around 25 before it starts puttering out. So if you're going to use this blaster, I definitely recommend you load it horizontally whenever you can. I think it's pretty good. It does say it is 500 milliliters. Like I said, I think you're getting a little less than that because of the way it loads. But I do like it. I'm a fan, like I said, I'm a fan of these fast fill water blasters. I have several of them. And I got it for $4 on sale. I think it's normally like 10 bucks. And yeah, I think if you're in the market for this sort of thing. Anyway, so that's it. I think I would give this thumbs up approval. And hope you all enjoyed this review, found it useful. And I will see you all in the next one.